Hello, my name is Juan Kenshi Moreno from grade 10 Kenosis. Today, we're going to be talking about Mars and Saturn. Mars, known as the red planet, has sparked many conspiracy theories, but one of them tells us that it's our planet, but that's not true. We never got any definitive answer about it. And Mars, anyone cannot live in there because of its temperature. It has over negative 100 degrees Celsius, and in some regions during winter, it goes low as negative 125 degrees Celsius or negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit. But feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Back to the main topic. The Mars has two moons, and the reason why it's called the red planet because it has a type of crust that is reddish orange hue that what we see from Earth. And Earth has only one moon, but Mars has two. Moving on, there are other planets that has way more moons than Mars and Earth. But Mars has the largest volcano than Earth, which is called the Olympus Mons. It's about 3 times taller than Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848.86 meters, about 29,032 feet. Olympus Mons reaches a height of 25 kilometers or 16 miles. Meanwhile, Mount Everest reaches the height of 8.8 kilometers or 5.5 miles tall. As you can see, they're very different in scale. Now, let's talk about Saturn, the 6th planet from the solar system and the second largest. A year on Saturn is 29 Earth years. Recently, it underwent a ring plane crossing, an event where its wings appear edge-on from Earth, making it nearly invisible. Also, Saturn has 150 known moons and moonlets, far more than both Mars and Earth. It's most famously called the ring planet, although some people also mention its low density by nicknaming it the floating planet. You can stand on Saturn because it's a gas giant made up of 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. It's not entirely gas. It likely has a solid core, but the rest is mostly gas. The winds are incredibly fast, reaching speeds up to 1,800 kilometers per hour or 1,100 meters per hour. Saturn also has a very short day. It rotates in just 10.7 hours. However, it takes 29.5 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Mars and Saturn are very different, but they are both part of the solar system and continue to orbit the Sun in a fun and fictional sense. You could say Mars considers Saturn his enemy, and Saturn sees Mars the same way. Though of course, that's just for fun. Also, Saturn cannot hold life. It is not a habitable planet. However, scientists believe that Mars might have a harbored microbial life, or could possibly host microbes underground today, though this is still unproven. Also, Saturn is one of the coldest planets, with temperature reaching up to negative 312 Fahrenheit or negative 191 degrees Celsius or 82 Kelvin. These two planets are named after the Roman gods. Mars is named after Mars, the Roman god of war, and Saturn is named after Saturnus, the god of agriculture, wealth, and time. Now, let's talk about their moons. Mars has two moons. It's Phobos and Deimos. And Saturn also has a lot of planets, but there's two notable ones. It's Titan and Enceladus. Titan has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Another moon, Enceladus, though not the largest, it shows signs of ice volcanism called cryovolcanism. Now, let's review all of these. First, Mars. It's called a red planet, and it's named after the Roman god Mars, the god of war. It has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Now, Saturn, a ring planet, also nicknamed floating planet because of its low density. And it's named after Saturnus, the Roman god of agriculture, wealth, and time. Has over 150 moons and moonlets. 2 notable ones are Titan, the largest one, has a thick atmosphere, and Enceladus shows signs of cryovolcanism. Alright, I guess that's all. Thank you for watching and learning with me about Mars and Saturn.